First, you need to remove the discharge port. So there's just 3 screws here. Remove with a 3mm Allen key. And with that, we can just pull this out. Might take a little bit of wiggling. And behind there will be 2 yellow connectors, a big one and a small one. So we want to unplug the small one here, just like so. Should unplug pretty easily. And then we can put that discharge port right back in, reinstall the screws. Now, for the next one, we do need to drop the motor. Then we can access all these connectors. We're looking for another small yellow one like before. So here it is. We will just unplug that one. Should also unplug pretty easily. Now we can advance to our next step. We're going to have an adapter here. So you can plug it in together and then plug into the charger to be able to test whether things are getting powered properly or not. To initially check and make sure that this is working as a circuit, we'll check with the multimeter on each end of that XT60, and we can see we're getting the voltage of the charger, so we know power is going through our adapter. We can unplug and we will start at this one here in the motor. So unplug. And now this is going directly to the motor power. Oh. So we will plug in our adapter there. Our adapter going into the dualizer. Then we need to turn on our display. We aren't using the exact display as on your bike, but this is still exact same principle. We will power it on. And then for this test, we will just enter walk mode. So we are holding our minus button. And we can see the speedometer does give speed. And we did hear movement from the motor spindles as well. So that means this channel of our dualizer and power system is working properly. So we can turn this display off. And we will go back down into the discharge port area with our other large yellow connector. And we will unplug that and repeat the same procedure using our adapter. Plug into that connector. We will turn on the motor. And enter walk mode again. We see speed. We did hear the motor rotating as well. So that means both of the channels of our dualizer are functioning properly. And then we can turn things off, unplug, and reassemble. Hopefully this assists in diagnosing your issue.